those were SD60 and SD60Is, heading to Norfolk Southern, Goodman Yard, eventually to LTEX. So we're here in my Norfolk Southern yard, which is Norfolk Southern Goodman Yard. We have permission to go back here anytime we want. And there is just a load of SD60Is all the way down. These are all SD60Is. We'll walk all of them. It's super rare because these are all ex-Conrails, and you know how NS retired half of the roster. So we have 6738, 6725, 6741, and then it's twin sister 6740. By the way, I'll leave a link in the description. Subscribe to Dylan Sharampko. He just started rail fanning with me.
Yeah, guys, I'm the reason he's getting all this work stuff recently. Totally.
His first time rail fanning, he caught that caboose with us. Here's a Conrail pin right here, how it's blue, I think. I love this blue right here. These are twins.
Yeah, that first one down at the other end, it has the door open.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty. These are neat. $67.35. And then
it's also SpongeBob cab down that way.
And then its twin sister, $67.36. Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
All the twins together.
I know, I'm surprised. This is pretty rare. Yeah, they basically retired these off the roster. Yeah, it says do not fuel on them because they're out of service.
Do not what on them?
Do not fuel.
What does that mean?
Don't fuel them because they're not used. So I'm guessing these came in on probably C43 and got transferred from C15. It looks like this one had a little bit of mishaps. How its plows dented in right here. It must have hit something at one point. Because the rest of them aren't like this.
Yeah, he might have. He hit something.
We'll continue walking. Sorry. 6726. They're gonna end up going to LTEX eventually. We just rail fanned CSX. Got 3 trains. You can see this one's open, its engine, so we might be able to look inside. I think there's a high hood down here too.
I'm sorry, what now?
Yeah, I think there's a high hood down here.
Oh my god.
All right.
Hey, you can see the engine.
I know, I was just gonna say that.
Wow, it has the same oil filter as most cars.
Wow, that is epic. I kind of feel bad for all these engines.
Man, if only we had the money to buy all these.
No, I don't think that's a high hood. I don't know what that is. Look at Jeep. I thought it was a high hood. 6739. I think its sister's down there.
We're gonna have to look into like all these numbers, see if there's anything like special about them.
Yeah. Your job's to do that.
Well, that's my job.
You always do that.
So.
Alrighty, what do we got here? Huh. Why is he here? Yeah, it is a high hood. I knew it, I told you. Dylan, you get your first high hood. And it is an ex-Southern, because you can see the F is right here.
I'm blind.
So, that's neat.
Oh, I saw something down there.
Very nice.
Looks like there's something down there, just sitting there, down there.
Where? Yeah, those are cars. That's theirs.
Looks like there's a light.
Yeah, that's probably coil cars or wood cars. And then the end engine is 6737. Very, very nice. All SD60Is for retirement. Almost walking all of them with a nice high hood in the mix.
For no reason whatsoever.
These will probably move within the week. And I'm guessing CSX, which the SpongeBob cab is down there, is gonna come over here and take them over to LTEX on their line. Sorry for the sun. The sun's gonna get in the way here for a second. Here's General Motors, who went out of business but is already now bought by a new owner here in Lordstown, Ohio. And all these intermodal cars that are in storage.
Right now, this is going to be a quick video.
Look at the rainstorm coming in.
This SD60Is.
This is the same train that I saw this morning.
This